there, how you guys doing? I am going to do a kind of short foam rolling demo for you guys. So if you have a foam roller at home, you know what to do, okay? So I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna start with the lower body. I'm gonna actually do two videos. So I'll do this one first, which is all about lower body, and then I'll do a second one here in a second, which is all about upper body. So, we've got our foam rollers. You guys know about our foam rollers. You've been here using them. This is the Rollga, Rollga, if you want to get one. This is the harder gray one. They do come in a softer white one. I've just never gotten around to getting them since we have other ones. But if you like the Rollga, you might want to consider, and you know that the gray one is too hard for you, you might want to get a white one, okay? And then this is our grid. This is the one a lot of people use. Now the difference between the grid and the Rollga is when you roll on this, you're basically just flat as a pancake, right? So you're just one point of contact. Where when you're on the Rollga, you've got 2 points of contact. So when you get that muscle into the body part, the muscle into that little channel here, you have 2 points of contact, one right here, one right here, so it gives you a different kind of massage, right? Because what is foam rolling? Poor man's massage. All right, so let me show you, if you're ever going to just do one roll, highly recommend getting your quads, okay? So you just come down on the roller like this, right at your hips, just use your elbows to walk to right before your knees and all the way back down, okay? From the top of your leg down to the bottom of the knees. Relax your legs, let your toes drag along, okay? No, I won't do that. I think you guys get the idea. Then you're gonna work your back side, okay? And you're gonna sit on the roller, you're gonna cross like this. You're going to lean into the side you just crossed, and you're just going to roll the underside, okay, using that leg right here to push you along. Yeah, it's kind of hard doing this on the sheet, but there you go, okay? Then you would do the other side. Cross, just shift your weight over and roll. Okay, good. Then the last one for your lower body, well, no, actually not the last one, but almost right here. You're just gonna roll down to your tailbone. So let me show you, right there. Roll down to your tailbone. This is actually kind of slippery. That's why I'm all over the place. And you're just gonna roll to the side, and you're just gonna go up and down. So now you're getting the top part of your tushy. Right? You don't ever want to just get on the roller and go, wee, I'm just going as fast as I can. It's actually a very slow motion movement, 1 second per inch. You may find a really tight spot, and you might want to just do a little pressure point and just sit on that and just work that knot out, okay? So to recap, your three main lower body is your quads right here like this. Then you're going to sit on the roller right here, cross your leg, and then the last one, down to your tailbone, lean to the side, get the top of your tushy. Okay, a couple of accessory or added bonus. You can do your shins right here, and just rolling on the front of your leg like this, right? And you can get your calf. Highly suggest getting a stick for this. Really hard to get it on the roller. And so you can just get the calf like this. Now, you can buy a stick. These things go for what, $35, $45, $55, somewhere around there. Right, it's got these little knobby things. But you can also just use, I think it works just fine, a rolling pin, right? Because then it'll be like this, and it's just going to be flat, which is fine. It'll do the job. You don't have to buy anything fancy, right? And you can get your shins right here. It's freaking good. You can get your calf, right? And you can get that quad. I have a really tight knot here, and on weekends, I need to work the knots because then it hurts my knee and it hurts my hip and it hurts my feet. Alrighty, there you go. One foam rolling demonstration, lower body foam rolling demonstration. Okay, stay tuned here for a second. I'm going to get you upper body.